Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to this video. We are still on the series Mind Over Market, and in this episode, this is the fourth episode, and in this episode we're talking about mastering emotional discipline. In our last video, we talked about overcoming fear and building confidence in trading. We talked about a couple of things that you need to do to enable you or to build confidence. We talked about identifying the source of fear. We talked about risk management. We talked about having a trading plan and a couple of other things. If you've not watched that video, you need to go check it out. Go to our channel and get to the playlist titled Mind Over Market series, and you're going to see the video there and other videos in this series. Let's get into the business of this video. Emotional discipline is an essential aspect of successful forex trading. The ability to control impulsive trading behavior is what sets apart professional traders from amateurs. While technical and fundamental analysis are crucial, it is our emotions that often drive our trading decisions. This is the truth. Many people will choose not to accept it, but it is the truth. Our emotions mostly is what determines the trades we take. Many a times it's not necessarily technical and fundamental, even though we consider technical and fundamentals, but our emotions has a huge part to play in our trading. In this video, we'll explore the importance of mastering emotional discipline and provide valuable insights and practical tips for new and intermediary traders to control impulsive trading behavior. Steps to mastering emotional discipline. Number one, understanding the impact of emotions. Like I said in the introductory part of this video, you need to understand that your emotions has a great impact on your trading. So you need to understand to what extent does your emotions impact your trading and how you can control that. Before delving into strategies for emotional discipline, it's important to understand how emotions can influence our trading decisions. Emotions such as fear, greed, and impatience can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive actions, which can be detrimental to profitability. Recognizing the emotional triggers and their impact on trading is the first step towards mastering emotional discipline. You need to understand your emotional triggers and how they impact your trading. Are you the kind of person that green colored candles impact you? Or let me put it this way, does having separate colors for your bullish and bearish candle, does that affect you? I've heard someone recommend that if you're such a person, that you should make all your candlesticks have the same colors or have the same color. So you can use all black, you can use, okay, all white could be too off, but you can just choose to use one color for all your candlesticks, both bullish and bearish. That this will eliminate emotions. This is a good recommendation if that will work for you. So if the colors of your candlestick triggers your emotion and cause impulsive trading, ensure to fix this. Number two, develop a trading plan. Like I said, throughout this series, we're going to be talking about trading plan. It's necessary for psychology. It's necessary to be able to have your mind above the market, have your mind over the market. You can't have your mind buried inside the market. It will not work that way. It's not right. You can't do that. One of the most effective ways to control impulsive trading behavior is to have a well-detailed trading plan. A trading plan should include entry and exit strategies, risk management rules, and a clear set of criteria for selecting trades. By adhering to a trading plan, traders can eliminate impulsive decisions based on emotional reactions. So if you're sticking to your trading plan, there's no how you can be impulsive. There's no how, because there's no impulse in the trading plan. A trading plan is a set down rule, so you have to follow it. If you can do that, you will never be impulsive. So it's that necessary. Imagine a sailor navigating through rough waters without a map and a planned route. The sailor is at the mercy of unpredictable waves and currents. Similarly, a trader without a trading plan is more likely to succumb to impulsive decisions, making it difficult to achieve consistent profitability. So guys, we just launched a new Forex course, and it's a complete guide from beginners to advanced training. If you go through this course, I promise you, I can assure you that you'll be able to trade by yourself comfortably and profitably. It has over 30 videos. Let me scroll down for you to see. It has about 30 videos. You can see section 1. Okay, this section 1, and this section 2. You can see a good number of videos here. I think section 2 is quite a lot. Then we have section 3, 4, 5. In section 5 is where we have the ebooks. Let me open it. You can see that. You see the ebooks. Then you can also see my book, Trading Without Tears. It's also there. So we have all of these in the Forex course, and like I said, it's a complete guide from beginners to advanced. The course is to be selling for $200, but because we're just launching, you can see the strikeout price. It is currently selling for $135, which is 100,000 naira. So for the first 200% that will take advantage of this offer, that will purchase the course now, you'll have the course for 100,000 naira, which is equivalent of $135. So click on the link in the description of this video and get started with your journey towards trading profitably. Number 3, patience and timing. Patience is a virtue in Forex trading. I said this in our last video, that I think that was episode 3. We said that patience is, you can never find a successful trader who doesn't have patience. It's not possible. And I did bet. I said you should go and check and let me know. So if you've checked, you let me know. You will never find a successful trader who is not patient. Impulsive traders often rush into trades without considering the market conditions or waiting for optimal entry points. Learning to exercise patience and waiting for confirmations can significantly reduce impulsive actions. So you need to learn to wait. Learn to wait. Waiting is part of the game. Waiting is part of the game. It's part of the process. Remember, the market is always there, and it's better to miss an opportunity than to enter a trade impulsively and suffer losses. Think of a skilled archer aiming for a bull's eye, rushing the shot, and without proper alignment and timing leads to missed targets. Similarly, rushing into trades without patience and precise timing often results in missed profits or unnecessary losses. Number 4, risk management. Effective risk management is a vital component of emotional discipline. Impulsive traders tend to neglect risk management principles, leading to excessive exposure and potential account blowouts. So, like we've said in previous videos, risk management is very necessary, very essential to your trading, and there's no how you will attain success in trading without proper risk management. You will keep blowing out your accounts, until you get fed up, until you get burnout. Look, there is no amount that cannot be blown out in the market. That's a fact. There's no amount. No matter how much you think you're coming into the system with, I bet you, if you don't have proper knowledge and you don't apply proper risk management, it will only take time. And that entire portfolio will be totally wiped out. So it's up to you. By defining risk to reward ratio, setting stop loss orders, and avoiding over leveraging, traders can control impulsive behavior driven by greed or fear. Number 4, mindfulness and self-awareness. Developing mindfulness and self-awareness is crucial for mastering emotional discipline. By being mindful of our thoughts and emotions while trading, we can identify impulsive tendencies and intervene before making hasty decisions. Regular self-reflection and journaling can help uncover patterns and provide insights into emotional triggers. So you need to be self-aware, you need to be aware of yourself and ensure that you do everything to ensure that you put in check every emotions that cause you pain. You need to be aware of everything that could cause the trigger of impulsive, or that could trigger your emotions setting into or interfering into your trading. So you need to do everything to ensure that you put your emotions in check and subdue it, else it overruns you. Consider a martial artist training for a match. They analyze their opponent's moves, anticipate their own reactions, and maintain calm focus throughout the fight. Similarly, traders who cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness can observe their emotions objectively, enabling them to make rational decisions rather than succumbing to impulsive behaviors. In conclusion, mastering emotional discipline is a journey that requires consistent practice and self-reflection. By understanding the impact of emotions, developing a trading plan, practicing patience, implementing risk management techniques, and cultivating mindfulness, traders can control impulsive trading behavior. Remember, successful trading is not solely dependent on technical analysis, but also on the ability to control our emotions and make rational decisions. Embrace emotional discipline, and you will pave the way for consistent profitability and long-term success in the forex market. See you in the next episode.